You ever wonder how your emotions are created and how you can deal with them? Well, today that's what we're going to talk about. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a counselor, life coach, and a law of attraction coach. And today we're talking about how to control your emotions when you are manifesting a special person back or your ex or just trying to manifest a relationship. Because let's face it, there can be a lot of emotions involved with relationships. There is a lot of emotions involved with relationships. They're just so important to us, okay? So just before I get started, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below. I do put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And if you're looking for a really awesome law of attraction coach and your own personal cheerleader, I'm available, and you can find my details in the description below. So let's create something wonderful. And one more last thing, I am going to be starting YouTube live videos, and I want to give a big shout out to John. He's a subscriber, he's part of our community, and he actually had the idea. I met him today. He's a great guy. He's going to go out there and create something wonderful for himself. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to explain how your thoughts create your emotions, how your emotions come about. So your thoughts actually create your emotions, okay? Let me explain. If I was to tell you a joke right now, so why didn't the toilet paper cross the road? Because it got stuck in a crack, okay? Now, if you found that joke funny, okay, it's because you said to yourself, oh my goodness, that's really funny. And then you got this feeling of like happiness, and then you laughed. So there you go. Your thoughts created your emotions, okay? So let's say, for instance, you are manifesting your ex back in your life, okay? However, you're dwelling on that he dumped you, that he might be seeing somebody else, that he blocked you and he doesn't want to be with you, and you're basically creating all of these things to mean that he doesn't want to be with you. But the thing is, right, is your thoughts created it to begin with. Your thoughts said, oh, what happens if he blocks me? And then he blocks you. And then we make it mean that he blocked you because he doesn't like you. But no, he just blocked you because your thoughts created it. It doesn't actually mean anything. So if we're going to make things mean things, which everything is empty and meaningless because your thoughts create it. But if we're going to make things that happen in our life mean the worst, then yeah, that's going to create thoughts that are going to make us unhappy. So if we dwell in, oh my goodness, you know what? He doesn't like me. He blocked me. He's never getting back with me. Absolutely. You know what? You'd feel like crap in no time because you're focusing on that because your thoughts create your emotions. Now, if we were to turn that around and say, okay, you know what? I know that my thoughts create everything in my life, okay? And nothing means anything because my thoughts created it. What does it mean that he blocked me? What does it mean that he dumped me? Well, it just means that I created that with my thoughts. Okay, so if you turn it around and you say, look at, I want to get back with my ex, and you start focusing on he wants to be with me because everyone is you pushed out as well. Let's not forget that fact that you create what the other person thinks of you and their actions, okay? So I intend for him to unblock me. I intend for him to start talking with me again. I intend for him to be with me and only me. I intend for him to want to only be with me. I know he's coming back to me. The more that you focus on what you want and your desire, the better you're going to feel because your thoughts create your emotions, right? But it goes the other way as well, okay? So if you're not monitoring your thoughts all day and they kind of run wild and you find yourself not feeling very happy, then it's time to say, oh, I need to stop my thoughts. I need to get a hold of these. So your emotions can also gauge what you are actually thinking, okay? So yeah, your thoughts create your emotions. And if you do sit there dwelling on everything that's bad that's showing up in your reality, or everything that they've said and making it mean that they don't want to be with you and that you're no good and they'll never forgive you. Yeah, you're not going to feel very good. You're going to feel quite crappy. However, if you take those thoughts and you stop them and you transform them into focusing on what you want, and remember, everyone is you pushed out and you create with your thoughts. So discard those doubtful thoughts and change them to point towards what you want. I intend for him to want me back. I intend for him to unblock me. You don't even have to say I intend. He wants to be with me. He wants to be with me forever. He wants to be with me and only me. If you start focusing on that, your mood is going to go straight up, because remember, your thoughts create your emotions. You know what? You can even sit there and say, I intend to feel happy right now. I intend to feel satisfied right now. Or I feel satisfied. I feel happy. I feel good today. I feel excited. And that will actually change your mood as well. So really, you choose how you feel with the thoughts that you have. And yeah, you can even say, I intend to always be in a good mood around Andrew. I intend for Andrew to always make me laugh. So you can even have other people help you create your emotions by using everyone as you pushed out. But I mean, the bottom line is your thoughts create your emotions. So if you're creating emotions that don't make you feel good, it's only one thought away, 2 thoughts away to change it. Anyways, that's my video for today. Hope you all found something useful in that. And create some wonderful emotions. Say right now, I intend to be happy for the rest of the day, and I intend to feel good about getting my ex back, because you know what? You really can do it. Anyways, that's my video for today. You guys create something wonderful for yourselves. Love you all, and thank you so much for being part of this community. Bye-bye.